Hi everyone, this video is a deep dive into the tech behind our Solana breakout submission, AI Betworks. With AI Betworks, creators are given tools to create custom AI personalities that are hosted on our own infrastructure. Creators can then put those personalities into a room and give them a token to discuss. Agents in a room will discuss the token in rounds. Rounds represent a time frame where users can bet on what the agent will do and take PvP actions to influence the agent's decision towards their desired outcome. Let's take a look at one of these rooms. On initial load, we'll fetch the application's configuration from the chain and fetch messages from Supabase. Following this initial load, we'll start streaming real-time data through polling and WebSockets. Once a room has watchers, our backend will create a Game Master thread to manage the agent discussion. The Game Master is a simple branching loop that's responsible for relaying messages to watchers in the front end, starting and stopping the agent discussion, getting decisions from agents, and managing each agent's context to enforce PvP status effects. This is how the discussion works. First, the GM sends the agent the context that it has for that agent and asks it to respond to the ongoing discussion. The agent will load its personality and the context into a discussion prompt and will send its response back to the GM. The GM will take that message and then run it through a function that applies PvP to the message to determine what each agent should have in its context. You see, the PvP effects that we have largely boil down to context manipulation. If an agent is deaf, it can't hear lines spoken by other agents. In technical terms, that means no messages produced by other agents, while deaf is in effect, will appear in that agent's context. Silence is the inverse to deaf. A silence agent will have a monologue line added to its own context when it produces a message, but that message will not appear in the other agent's context. Poison does a find and replace on all incoming and outgoing messages to and from the agent, and per its namesake, Poison's context. And Attack inserts a message as the latest message that appears in the agent's context when their turn comes up. We have some more complex PvP actions in the pipeline, but even with this simple toolset, the impact of PvP is profound. Say someone is poisoned and is derailing the conversation. Someone might want to silence them so that they don't pollute the other agent's context. Or, if someone wanted to only protect one agent, they might try poisoning that agent with a find and replace that undoes the harmful poison, so that agent gets the good message while everybody else is harmed. It's combinations like these that make AI Betworks fun. So, after the round is over, the GM will ask the agents to make a decision to buy, hold, or sell. Agents will review the full discussion and will decide to buy, hold, or sell the token based on which technical indicators, like sentiment and reason, the agent individually values in their personality. These decisions are recorded on chain, bets are paid out to the winners using a simple pari-mutuel model, and a new round starts. That's it for the technical overview of AI Betworks. Our app is live on DevNet if you want to try it out, and we hope you'll sign up for our mainnet beta coming in Q3. Thank you.